Good morning, everybody. My name is Kevin, and welcome back to another very exciting edition of Discover Hiroshima Beyond the Basics. I want to eat some curry today. The first running of an event I've been looking forward to for a long time, World Curry Heroes Hiroshima. Various types of curry, not just Indian curry, which I'm quite fond of, but other countries' authentic curries, all laid out for us here today. I want to check along with you for the very first time and see which one will become my favorite. Lots of different versions and types from various countries that are known for their delicious curry. Let's go check it out. I'm getting hungry. All right, everybody. Let's see what curry we have awaiting us. Spice magic. How you doing? Good.
How are you?
Good. Very good. Let's see if we can get a quick interview. Do we have a moment? What kind of curry and what kind of ethnic dishes you have?
We have it today. Fish spare curry. Pork spare curry.
How long have you been doing your shop and living in Hiroshima?
My shop is 2.5 years.
2.5 years, yeah.
I've been there in Hiroshima 15 years before.
15 years. Senpai. Yeah, my senpai.
Senpai.
Why not Tokyo or Osaka or elsewhere? Why are you living and sharing your culture and delicious food with Hiroshima? What's your backstory to be in Hiroshima?
Yes, I came Hiroshima from first day from working another restaurant. I'm working in restaurant in Hiroshima in about 11 years. That's why I'm start from first day in Hiroshima.
That's amazing.
Yes.
So your first landing spot
Yes,
was
yes,
here
yes, yes.
because of your first opportunity.
Yes, a first opportunity in Hiroshima.
Amazing. Awesome.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
広島にずっといます。死ぬまでいますのでよろしくお願いし
そう
ま。
ですす。ありがとうございます。出来上がりました。That looks delicious. Where else could you get this? In the middle of downtown Hiroshima on a beautiful Sunday. South Indian cuisine, as I was just told, had another nice conversation. My friend also said that within 5 minutes, best to eat because of the crispiness, the crunchiness of the dosa. And here, いただきます。Really fresh flavor, the crispiness, and that curry. There's 2 more varieties to try. Really, really, what should I say? Clean, nice finish with a wonderful aftertaste. A great start. What to eat next? So many great options. Great environment as the event's really getting started now. This must be another type of Indian cuisine, perhaps from another area of India. We'll ask, of course, folks here at Puja, another shop that I know from around town with a great reputation and great food. Thank you, brother, for your time. I have a question as well. Where are you from?
Yeah, Nepal.
Nepal, okay. Yes, your shop, I remember seeing the Nepalese flag at Puja. What's your story for sharing your culture and food in Hiroshima?
Hiroshima is other one. Hiroshima very climb. Therefore, I like Hiroshima.
What do you like about Hiroshima?
Very kindly.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I love the rivers, the mountains. It's very clean and people are so friendly. The keema curry with the cheese naan, please. Thank you very much,
Thank
brother.
you.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Namaste. Thank you very much. All right, we have our keema curry I know more about now, and cheese naan. Let's give this a nice and warm. I can see the cheese. Oh my gosh, looks absolutely delicious. I love naan. Itadakimasu. The cheese goes really well with it. Fresh baked naan, there's nothing better. Really hot still. And the curry is exactly as you'd expect. Worthy of a successful and delicious kitchen in the city. Wonderful. Nice combo. Organizer. This is my friend Adi.
Nice to meet you, everybody.
Now, with this event,
Yeah.
I'm going to check out all the food stalls later.
Yeah.
But can you tell me a little bit about the event that you've organized? This is the first one.
Yeah, this one is the first one. Our ambition is to World Curry Heroes. Means we're making just like the connection with the people. Just like from here, we can know how many people like the curry first, and then again the connection, and they have the different kinds of business, anything, right? And we are sharing everything and making the side like not only Japan, only the world also. We want to make the side organized over there.
Do you have more plans to do this
Yeah.
again? as
Yeah,
well,
and actually from the side India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and Nepal, and Myanmar, Vietnam, Chinese. Everybody is right came here for the just like the student also, like student working, everything. And they didn't get to have just like one parents, right? They came here for the outer. So
I love the idea of it. Connected by curry, united for peace as well.
Yeah.
That brings me to my next, I guess, thought is why Hiroshima? I know you lived here. You
yeah,
lived
I
here
live
for a
in
long time.
Hiroshima, and
Why this event from
actually,
Hiroshima?
I'm here for the long, but I'm not a student, right? In Hiroshima because I was came for like a dependent house for my parents, right? And then I saw here different kinds of students, just like they struggling a lot. They struggle a lot. I have to start from here. That's my thinking point first, because this is like a hometown right now, right? And my wife is also back support right here. So back support is this. They are also back supporting me because I know a lot of people right now, just like the business also over here, right?
Yeah.
So that's why.
Cool. I love it. I love this event already, and I'm really excited to try
Thank you.
all the food, including here. And I see a drink I might have to try later. With
Yeah, you
as
have
well.
to be. Yeah.
All right, man.
Actually, drink collection with the beer as well. Thank you.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you, bro.
Appreciate it.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, good luck with everything.
Yeah,
Thank you.
good.
All right, everybody, we've had northern and southern Indian curries, one very sweet with the cheese naan, more akin to Japanese curry, I'd say, and the other, I think, different sauces, tomato and coconut base with the curry, two different sweetnesses and ways in which we ate them. Next, another country. Let's check it out.
Hello.
Hello. Could you introduce yourself?
Hi. My name is Nazmul Karim and call everyone Jamie.
I don't think I knew that.
I work
actually.
there. I'm a chef. usually.
You are a professional chef,
I'm
yeah?
a professional chef. I'm going to show my traditional food here.
Today you have
Bangladeshi fish curry. It's called a curry. So I'm going to show you. This is the fish which is called the ruhi.
Ruhi.
This is actually river fish in Bangladeshi. So this is very delicious fish. This is different kind of marination, like 25 of spice inside.
Oh, 25 spices with
Yeah,
the fish
spice,
itself.
yeah.
Wow.
So this is curry combination. We're gonna put is our traditional rice as well. Rice and fish is good combination, which is my mom teach me.
Okay.
Actually,
That's
this is
amazing.
my mom is my teacher.
Jamie, I have a question for you while we're
Yes,
waiting
sir.
as well. Why or how did you end up in Hiroshima?
Actually, this is the place which is very historical place in Japan. You know, when I was child, I read Hiroshima city. Kind of, you know, there is history, like in the Japanese home or something.
Yeah.
So that's what we read.
Absolutely.
And I was thinking, oh, this place is quite interesting. I should go there and look what is the peace park, what is this history. When I came here, I was very surprised. The people are really nice
Yes.
in Japan, especially Hiroshima. Small city, but people are very friendly.
Yes.
And there is many events in the small city, but many events and many foreigner here around it. You know, the people are love many kind of food.
Yes.
Yes, thank you for waiting.
Thank you.
This and you can try one more.
Eh,
There's a my side.
thank you
Yes.
so much.
Yes.
Thank you.
Oh, no.
Yeah. That is I make Japanese
Ta-da.
combination like seaweed.
Yes.
On the top. And if you like more sauce, I think it's better.
Thank you so
because
much,
the
Jamie.
sauce is very important here. If you have many sauce, you will love it. Sauce is really fresh spice you feel.
Yeah. Can I try it right here?
Yes,
Yeah?
please.
All right, let's do it.
Go ahead.
Let's go for it.
Yes.
All right, river fish, Bangladeshi river fish traditional recipe, over 25 spices from Jamie's mom. That's amazing. Let's start with the rice and the curry. Again, traditional Bangladeshi rice, more like a basmati rice. I love spicy food. That has a lot of kick. I can taste all 25 spices and it, a bit of a smoky flavor due to the way that the fish has been prepared. All right, guys, the last of the food stops for today. Lots of cool events and things going on here in the plaza now. So what do we have today? Could you?
Actually, we have the main soul food is the jol momo thing. Jol momo means the dumpling momo
Okay.
with the soup
Okay.
because it's a little bit cold.
Okay. So it's not curry necessarily.
It's not curry. It's like a soup.
Soup with
Yeah.
the cold soup with the hot dumplings.
Yeah, it's a hot dumpling.
Interesting.
Hot dumpling is a hot soup.
Oh, okay. Both hot. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. What is momo like it's a very traditional food? Like
It's a traditional means in Nepal. It's like between China and India.
Thank you very much. Yep. Thank you. All right, time for momo, soup momo. Start with the dumpling. First of all, nice and hot, perfect right now. The dumplings are also really soft, and the soup as well gives it a lot of the spice texture as well as flavor. Really nice. Inside the momo as well, the dumpling that is, I couldn't even tell you exactly what. I'm going to explore that a bit more. Again, very much a fusion food. Soup as well, you can see the spices and various elements in it. Wow, that is even more flavor than I thought. The dumpling itself, it really is like a Chinese dumpling, but a lot of turmeric, a lot of different. Everybody, unfortunately my time today at the festival is coming to an end. I had a wonderful experience, learned a lot. My stomach is full, as is my heart. Now I tried 4 different types of delicious foods. They were all wonderful, all with their different, unique aesthetics, textures, and flavors. My favorite, if I had to choose one, you're making me really, was the Bangladeshi food, the rooti fish. I've never had that fish. I enjoyed the palette of flavors, particularly the spice that was in that, a little differently than some of the other dishes. And the curry, for me, was my #1 today. Now, interesting talking to all of the lovely people we met today, many of whom are already my friends, or people I've known in the city. Hiroshima truly is a community of various ethnicities, people all with the idea of coming together and working for peace, sharing the message of Hiroshima. Each person had their own unique reason and story for coming, whether it was work, family connections, just interest in the city to start. The thing that stuck with me is, similar to myself, regardless of how they came here to start, everybody ends up staying in Hiroshima, loving it and wanting to start their own business or share what they can with the world from this beautiful place. That includes me. Peace and love from Hiroshima.